Hello friends, welcome back to my channel again. I am making this video for those candidates who haven't applied for Rudder Analytics off-campus drive yet. I have already made this video before, but some of you guys haven't applied for this drive, so I am making this short video. I will explain in a very short time to you. So this is online campus placement. Job location is Pune. Designation is associate analyst. Fresher required, and you need to be 2021 pass out batch only. Minimum 60 percentage in SSC, HSC or diploma, and graduation, post graduation, that is BE BTech. Only CS, IT and ENTC candidates can apply for this position. Then MCA, ME, MTech, MSc computers, and any 2021 pass out batch CDAC candidate. Okay, so this is the eligibility criteria to apply for this off-campus drive. I know that many of you haven't applied. Only some of the candidates have applied for this position, but this drive is still open till 23rd May 2021. Okay, now around 1 week is remaining, so please apply for this. Whenever this link will expire, then you can't apply for this position, and registration is compulsory to attend the drive. Whenever you do the registration, you will receive one mail from the recruitment team. Okay, so just click here. You will get this link in the description box below. Just click here. I have already opened that this form already here, so you need to fill this form, that is registration form, online campus placement, May-June 2021, Rudder Analytics. Okay, so have you appeared for Rudder Analytics recruitment process? Say no. Okay, then some of the, as I earlier mentioned, that what is the eligibility criteria, so they have mentioned here. Okay, venue, test and interviews will be held online. Date and time will be informed to candidate individually via email. Okay, registration till open till 23rd May. Okay, I repeat, 23rd May, till 23rd May you can apply for this position. After 23rd May you can't apply, because I will show you the aptitude test date as well. And if you have already attended the aptitude test for this Rudder Analytics drive, then comment below. Okay, then you need to give your details here: first name, middle name, last name, mail ID, gender, date of birth, mobile number, your alternative mobile number, SSC percentage, year of passing, SSC year of passing, then HSC percentage, then HSC year of passing. Then if you have done diploma, then diploma percentage, diploma year of passing. Okay, then graduation degree. Okay, so all these branches are allowed. Then you need to select accordingly from your perspective. Then graduation year of passing, only 2021 batch is allowed. Okay, so select that one. Then your aggregate, total graduation aggregate, then your college name, then your university of graduation, then do you have any gap, then select appropriate answer and select the time slot aptitude round. Okay, so this is the on this date the aptitude round will be conducted: 25th May, 26th May, 27th May. Okay, and 28th May. On these 4 days aptitude round will be conducted. Don't miss this chance. This form or this registration process is still open. You can apply for this position. Okay, so go to the description box, apply now. Okay, so that's all for this video. Please apply for this position. Don't miss this chance. Okay, and thanks for watching this video, and share this video with your friends as well, so that they can also apply for this position. Okay, so thank you.